today you're going to take your test, and this is what I'm going to expect. So you're going to get a piece of paper or 2 or 3 pieces of paper, whatever you need, and you're going to write your name on top. So make sure you write your name and write the name of your test. I think it's multiplying and dividing rational numbers. And you can write it like this: multiply, divide, rational numbers. And make sure I know that it's the test. Oh, hold on, I can't see it. Okay, so you're going to write your name. Make sure your name is on it. Otherwise, I don't know whose paper it is. So for number 1, if your question, and this is not the question that's actually on the test, but if your question is something like 2/3 times negative 1/2, then I want you to write the number, write the question, answer it, and you can reduce this to negative 1/3. And then I want you to kind of box it off. So, like if number 2 is not something that you need to work out, then you wouldn't put number 2 here. But if you got to number 5 and it's an answer that you need to work out, then you would put number 5. And let's say it's asking you to convert 3/5 into a decimal. So you would do 3 divided by 5. 5 will go into 36 times. And so you would write your answer as 0.6 and it's terminating. And then you would box this one off. So that way, what you're going to do is you're going to turn in your paper where you did your work to me. So each time you need to work a problem out, I want you to put what number it is, write the problem, work it out, and then once you find your answer, I want you to box in your answer and then box it off so I know I can easily find what question I'm looking for. Now, you will only be able to make a 90 on your test. Well, full points would be 90. So when you give this to me, you'll get your 10 more points for turning in your paper. If you do not turn in your scratch work, you will not get a grade until I have your scratch paper. This is so I can see how you're working it, and so I know that your calculator's not doing it and Photomath's not doing it, and you're not calling each other and having a group message to do your test. I need to know that you can do the work. So Thursday, if you come to school, you're bringing your paper and turning it in to me. Got it? If you are a remote student, which means you're at home doing it online, you will be submitting a picture to me. So remember, I need to see your name. Tell me what test it is. Put your number, do the problem, work it out. Show me your work. I need to see how you're doing this. And they won't be easy ones like 3 times 5. It's not going to be negative 3 times positive 5. It's going to be bigger numbers. So you're going to have to work it out on paper. And I need to see that you know how to do it on paper. So make sure that you're setting it up like this. You are keeping it neat so I can read it and it's not all over the place. And then you're boxing each question off so I can easily find it on your paper. So what are you bringing to me Thursday? Your scratch paper, your work. If you're at home, what should the home people do?
Take a picture.
Take a picture and send it to me. If you're at home, I have put a place for you to insert media. You can put it on a Google Doc. Take a picture, put your picture in that Google Doc. It does need to be big enough for me to see it. So make sure if you want to take a picture with your phone and email it to yourself and send it to me some way like that, that's fine also. I just need to see that you're doing your work and I need to see how you're getting your answers. So good luck with that. I hope you do well on your test. I don't mind if you use your notes from yesterday's video, or what we did live in class was the same thing they did on their video. If you want to use your notes, that's fine. I don't want you using calculators or Google or Photomath or things like that. I need to see that you know what you're doing. Okay? All right, good luck.